Last week, we left you anchored beside Cape Canaveral. This week, we pick up the following morning when we woke up to this. Yeah. I guess we should have known better for camping right beside a construction zone. Needless to say, we packed up and got out of there. In this week's episode, we are beelining for VERO Beach. We are excited to get there so that we can get our new generator.
And the house bank battery.
And our new house bank batteries. And a huge Amazon order that we did full of stuff that we think we need to make our trip to the Bahamas. We make a few stops on the way there. And our first stop is Harbour Beach. We decided to come here based on distance and a map. There wasn't really a ton of data on Aquamaps or Active Captain or No Foreign Land. So we decided to come to where the mouth of the Banana River meets the Indian River. It looked fantastic theoretically. So we made our tour through the area, hoping there would be a spot for us to anchor in the mouth of the Banana. But it was basically all clogged up, as you can see, with other boats. There's probably a bunch of crab traps in here that you maybe can't see in time-lapse mode. And then there's a whole series of mooring balls with no boats on them. So we decided to anchor just on the outside on the Indian River, just outside of, I think it's called Dragon Point. Yep. I gather there used to be a large, I don't know what it was, like dragon? Paper mache or concrete or something. There used to be a big dragon on that point. I'm not sure which hurricane or if it was a hurricane. Anyway, it's not there anymore. It would have been cool to see that. I'll see if I can find a photo of it online for you. So yeah, we just decided to stay here. So calm this morning that we got reflections inside the bimini.
Yeah, it's glassy this morning.
Beautiful out here.
All right, so we're heading off to some yacht place. What's it called?
Anchorage Yacht Basin.
Yeah.
We're headed to Anchorage Yacht Basin. They do a $10 dinghy dock day, and they're like a block from Publix.
Yep.
So we're gonna go do that.
Yep.
And we gotta get water, and then we're gonna try and get a few hours down the way to make tomorrow a little shorter.
Wait, we're only big.
Big day. So let's go.
Let's get out of here. Go! Get to the chopper! A new hat, new sunglasses, same wife, same child, and lots of groceries.
Somehow this is $300 worth of groceries.
That's Publix for you, baby. Once we got all the groceries put away, we got out of there, and we even managed to get some sail up.
Lots of time, babe.
Yeah, we're good. I can tell you that sailing under bridges while not under engine power is definitely sort of a stressful experience, but the traffic that was oncoming stayed out of our way, and we managed to squeeze on through without any incident.
She looks like she's going so fast because her hair is all crazy.
Okay. And then Arya invented a new sport. We're calling it equestrial marinering. And once again, the following morning was absolutely stunning.
Look at how smooth the water is. Our fancy little book says that Grant Farm Island is the only inhabited spoil island in all of Florida. Well, I thought that was pretty interesting. Now, I think maybe it was all the spoil islands in this section, but we all found this section of the ICW to be extra pretty. All these spoil islands definitely come with their risks. You would not want to miss the navigation marks in this section here. That is very, very shallow. It would seem that VERO was so excited about our arrival, they threw us an air show.
I am hot. Hot mess, as Matt just said. It's hot here. We've arrived in Vero Beach. We're at the city marina. We picked up our first mooring ball, which we didn't film. Shoot.
Because we were scared.
Because we were scared and nervous of our first one, but it ended up being so bleeping easy. There's hardly any wind today. It's perfect conditions, so it was easy. Anyway, also, why we chose here was because we could get mail sent here, so we did a big Amazon order. So we picked up many boxes when we got here, when we were getting fuel, and yeah, we got some presents to open now, including our brand new house battery bank, which Matt earned his keep today because he moved 300 pounds worth of batteries, so he can have dinner tonight, I suppose.
3.
Those ones are the batteries. We are gonna rig up some sort of crazy system to get them downstairs through the hatch using the boom, I think is Matt's plan. Because they're heavy and we got 3 that we need to take out. So that's a lot of work.
Oh, hi there. Future Matt here. Just editing and realized that we never actually talked about what kind of batteries we got. We did end up getting AGM 4D batteries again, just like what we had before. We would have liked to have gone lithium like everybody else in the sailing world, it seems. But unfortunately, between the cost and mostly because our inverter charger does not have a lithium profile, it's just old enough that there's not really a lithium charging profile in there. Amongst other parts and pieces of our electrical system that aren't lithium capable, we decided to go with AGM again. So hopefully we don't regret that choice, and we will keep you posted on that front. Anyway, back to the episode. Alright, so we are gone ashore, and we are going to catch a bus and go to Home Depot and get ourselves our new generator.
Oh, yay.
Alright, so one of the nice things that we found out about Vero Beach is that they have a free bus system. I don't know if the whole bus system is free, but certainly the bus that comes here to the marina is free, and we'll connect to whichever other bus we need from there. Go where we need to goes.
The whole Vero bus system is free. I believe it's managed by the Seniors Association in Vero Beach, and it was awesome. Thank you very much, Vero Beach.
So excited.
We are off to Home Depot to get our new generator to go with our new batteries, and then we should be set on power until we decide we can't live without solar anymore.
Yeah, which we were already there.
Yeah, we should be getting solar too, but we can't spend it all at once.
No.
disaster struck.
Well, salty now. It also looks like it's sinking very rapidly. We're just turning over.
My new hat. No. Use these big muscles over here. And a little oil in there. Plus a little bit of fuel.
Yeah! Look what I have created! I have made
Power!
I have made
Power! Another beautiful morning. We were short a few parts and pieces for installing the new battery bank and a few other things. So, we found this marine connection liquidator online. As near as we can tell, many boats that have been scrapped, all of the useful parts end up here. This place was incredible. They had everything. Well, not everything. We did manage to get a few things we needed, but there was a bunch of stuff that they actually didn't have.
Want some stainless hardware? We got room for this on board. That'll fix our list issue.
Oh, we don't want this coming off again. Better safe than sorry. Do up the safety strap.
Alright, so the other day we got 2 out of 3 of the new house bank batteries installed. And the reason why we didn't put the third one in is because I need to make some changes to the freshwater plumbing for the boat to actually make space for the third house bank battery. So basically the problem is the water comes out of the tank, this tank right here. And the water comes out of this tank right down there. And they run over here sort of together. And where all this sits is where that other battery needs to sit. So what we're going to do is reroute the water so that they come together in the middle and run that way.
One of the things I needed to do was drain the freshwater tanks to be able to make those changes. And then we'll connect some of these to some of those. A little bit of hose clamp action. It ended up being easier to just route this hose around the third battery. And then we'll connect all these together like this. And double check all of my hose clamps. Now, I wish I could do a full-on how-to video on what I'm doing here, but I don't really know what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of making it up as I go along. Once we got all the plumbing sorted out, it was time to get that third battery downstairs and installed.
Okay.
Am I just staying out of your way, or what am I doing? Okay.
At least until it's further down.
Gonna come down. Where do you want?
It's going to hit the bottom 3 steps.
Okay.
Come straight down. So when it gets down that far, you need to slowly, gently just start pulling it that way a little bit.
And into the socket or onto the floor?
Just like we'll just go to the floor height and then stop there, and then I'll come down and we'll fine tune from there.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm trying to pull it over.
Keep pulling a little more yet. And now just wait. Now just wait. Now just let it relax against that bottom step.
Oh, I see. Okay, gently. There we go.
Once we got the battery down there and in its spot, it was time to make some connections. Little heat shrink. Not sure why I didn't use my heat gun that day, but I guess I was just trying to torture myself. And some dielectric jelly. And then make some connections. And voila! Just like that, we're up to 600 amp hours of battery bank power.
I think we're going to leave you there for this week. Thank you so much for joining us on our power saga, the last 3 episodes. It's been a journey. We are powerful now. It's good.
I hope it's sorted.
We're sorted. Hopefully we're sorted forever, and we never have to deal with wiring again.
Yeah, right.
Right?
Yeah.
Or plumbing.
Oh, God.
Or batteries.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Anyway, we want to say an extra special thank you to a certain someone's. They actually ended up buying the generator for us.
Yeah.
You know who you are. Thank you so much. We also want to obviously thank all of our patrons. Thank you so much for continuing to support us. And an extra special thank you to the names that you're seeing here below for going the extra mile to make sure that these episodes keep getting made and they keep getting better. Right? They're going to keep getting better?
I hope so.
Okay, me too. Anyway, we'll see you next week.
Yeah, see you next week. Bye.
Bye now.